it, guys! We did it!
20 years ago, Insite opened its doors as North America's first legal supervised consumption site. Today, it continues to serve drug users, providing a safe way to inject under the watch of healthcare professionals.
Insite was important when it opened. It continues to be important in the current overdose crisis.
Over the last 2 decades, millions have visited. Many have been connected with detox and other healthcare services, and nearly 12,000 overdoses have been reversed.
I remember just coming here to use drugs is what I thought I was going to do. But it turned into something so much more and so much bigger.
Felicella says he visited Insite around 4,000 times over 10 years. One visit stands out in particular. He overdosed. When he regained consciousness, the nurse, shaken, told him she cared for him.
Burst into tears. And the many moments that led to that one moment where I just told her I don't want to do this anymore.
Felicella is more than a decade sober and now works as an advocate. Insite's journey hasn't been without its share of road bumps. The previous federal government attempted to withdraw its green light by removing its Health Canada exemption from prosecution under Canada's drug laws. The case was challenged, rising all the way to the Supreme Court of Canada.
The Supreme Court of Canada unanimously decided that it was unconstitutional to end Insite's exemption.
As the lawyer on the case, she says Insite paved the way for future supervised consumption sites.
Those legal cases helped this country and the international community to understand what harm reduction could do.
While it started as a way to prevent transmission from dirty needles, Insite has had to adapt. A new player entered the scene, fentanyl. Insite's data, crucial to understanding the deadly drug.
The Insite database is the most comprehensive database on overdoses in the world, and so we were able to basically show that your risk of overdosing in the current context is about 10 times what it was before fentanyl was introduced.
In the years ahead, this team says Insite will continue to adapt and continue to save lives. Joel Ballard, CBC News, Vancouver.